How to get verified on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get verified on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys can open up your TikTok account, and you can open it up on your laptop or maybe on your mobile phone. So once you do it, you will get right here. So you can see on TikTok, a lot of different users are actually verified, and this is because they're like really famous and like celebrities. All of these accounts are verified. Once you get the a lot of followers, you will get verified as well. But let's say that we want to just get verified and we're not that famous. So for that, you just have to go to your profile, and then you can log out or you can switch to another account, which is a business account. So if you have a business account on TikTok, then you will get verified even if you do not have millions of followers. So this is the way to get verified. Other than that, if you have different followers, if you are a celebrity, then it of course it becomes really easy for you. But just switch to a business account, and it has worked for a lot of people, and you will be able to get verified. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.